Today in this video, we will talk about the current TLM price crash and how you can take advantage of it. Of course, since Bitcoin goes down, probably all of the altcoins goes down as well, since it is the core of cryptocurrency. And how you can take advantage of it, it is because when TLM's price goes down, as you can see here in this price chart right here, it is down for around okay, it is down for 0.2372, and I think the monthly chart of this one is 0.73. So that is the peaks, which is it reaches its all monthly high last May 4. So it even reaches 0.8. So I'm going to show to you how you can take advantage of it. So let's just go into this sheet file right here. This was made by Volbs, a fellow Alien Worlds player as well. He has a YouTube channel, so please do subscribe to him as well. So this is the current meta. Okay, this is the current trend of best tools that you could probably use in Alien Worlds. And of course, as you can see here, I've made a previous video about exo gloves, and it really goes down here. It is because of the current CPU error, and you can probably mine a lot on this kind of setup. And that is the reason why standard drills are a lot more better. It is because it gives us a higher charge time, and of course it gives us a pretty much decent amount of TLM as well. So if you're going to buy this kind of items, okay, in the last when it was May 4th or May 3, its current price will be around, if the standard drill right now is $7, you could probably buy a drill when in that kind of price will be around $20, $26, and that is the reason why you are saving a lot of money if you're going to buy this kind of tools. And of course, if you really like to play this kind of game, then probably you can get your money back faster rather than buying it in the higher price. And of course, TLM is really good. Alien Worlds is really good. It do have 2 million users, monthly users. Okay, so you can see there that there's really a lot of demand, and it is the best blockchain game inside the WAX platform, and of course in the world of blockchain games. So excuse me, I'm having some cold. And for you to check, of course, how much mining power you're getting, how much NFTs you're getting, the chances are, the TLM that you can mine per hour, you can just go into necogamer.com/aw/builder, which you could probably see this current statistics right here. So just enter the item that you want to view here, and it will automatically calculate for you. Sorry again. For NFTs, okay, the best item that you could probably buy is of course Graxos Ass. If you go here, you can see here that Graxos Ass is around around rank 6, rank 4. Okay, so it gives a really good NFT lock here. It gives a really good efficiency, and of course the charge time is really high, so you won't suffer some CPU errors right here. However, if you want to mine TLM, you want to focus on TLM, probably you can focus on drills as well. But just be careful that the current meta is around the higher charge time, the better. It is because of the CPU error. So just calculate it on this one, and if you're going to look at Graxos Axe price right here, you can see here that Graxos Axe costs only around $64 at this moment, which before it cost around $200, even 160. So it's really a steal, but a steal price for you to buy. And of course, Alien Worlds won't go anywhere. It is because this is the best blockchain at this moment, which you can easily earn money and get NFTs. So that is just a small update, guys. As you can see, TLM price is really 0.23, and even the cryptocurrency prices are 39. Is even like all down. Okay, it's all red. So that is it for this one. Okay, don't I mean, a lot of people will say diamond hands on this one. However, if you have a lot of money, if you've lost some money, okay, holding some coins, it is not a financial advice, but of course, you only lose money if you exit the trade or your position. So that is it for this Alien Worlds tutorial, guys. I hope you will buy some items as well. In my case, I'm going to upgrade my item as well to maybe a Draxos Axe, because I would probably want to focus on mining NFTs, since a lot of people are of course going out into the market as well. And if you are with me doing long term in Alien Worlds, probably this is the best time for you. Okay, so that is it for this video, and I see you soon.